Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup S3 buckets holding AI artifacts, complete guide step by step clearly. The process of backing up S3 buckets containing AI artifacts begins with assessing your requirements. Determine which S3 buckets need to be backed up. Evaluate the size and content of each bucket to prioritize your backups. Next, ensure that you have the necessary permissions to access and copy the S3 buckets. Navigate to the AWS Management Console. From there, locate the S3 service. Identify the specific bucket you wish to back up. Select the bucket to view its contents. To create a backup, you can use the AWS CLI for efficiency. If you have not installed the AWS CLI, do so by following the appropriate installation instructions for your operating system. Once installed, configure the AWS CLI with your access credentials. Open your command line interface. Use the command AWS S3 CP to copy the contents from the S3 bucket to your local machine or another S3 location. For example, the command would look like this: AWS S3 CP S3 / your bucket name local directory recursive. This command copies all files from the specified bucket to the designated local directory. If you're copying to another S3 bucket, you will use a similar command, replacing the local directory with the destination bucket. Make sure to include the recursive flag to cover all subdirectories. For additional backup strategies, consider using AWS S3 lifecycle policies. This feature allows you to automatically transition or delete data based on rules you define. Another option is to enable versioning on your S3 buckets. Versioning allows you to preserve, retrieve, and restore every version of every object stored in your bucket. You can also use AWS Backup, which simplifies the backup management process across AWS services. Select the AWS Backup service from the Management Console. Create a backup plan that includes your S3 bucket and specify the frequency of backups. After creating the backup plan, AWS Backup automatically manages the backup tasks for you. For more detailed and large-scale backups, consider using AWS Data Sync. AWS Data Sync allows for fast and secure data transfer between S3 and on-premises storage solutions. To set this up, create a data sync task and specify the source and destination locations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.